are the team of Silversky Builders, and at Silversky we are developing a township of 1,000 apartments. This is right now we are in the third phase with 430 apartments, and right now we're coming up with another phase which is going to be 1 lakh square feet of developed lots and a mall of 50,000 square feet. So Silversky, how it came into being is between three friends who bought this piece of land together and then decided to go forward and develop it and create a society over here. And that's how this project was started in 2010. And right now the next generation has come in, the next generation of Nishank Sakaria, Mitul Damani and me. And from our fathers we've taken this forward and trying to develop it into a sustainable and a global company. We would like to thank Rangrasya, who are the sponsors of today's Holi event, and we would like to thank them for organizing such a wonderful event and making it a huge success on a bright and sunny day. Holi is a festival which brings people together. It adds color to life, and that is what we want at Silversky. We want to bring families together. We want to bring people together. There are already about 500 families that are living harmoniously, and it is going to become a family of 1,000 families, which is more than 4,000 people. So thank you Rangrasya, thank you everyone at the press, thank you for covering this event today, and please, everyone's welcome for the whole event. Thank you. நம்மளுக்கு எப்படி காண்டாக்ட் பண்ணணும்னா, we are available on Facebook, we are available on Instagram, we are available on website. நம்ம ஹோர்டிங்ஸ் இருக்குது, அட்வர்டைஸ்மெண்ட்ஸ் பண்ணுறோம், அதில் நம்ம காண்டாக்ட் டீட்டெயில்ஸ் இருக்குது, நம்ம இமெயில் ஐடி இருக்குது. Silversky Buildersஸை நீங்கள் கூகுளில் டைப் பண்ணால் ஆட்டோமேட்டிக்காக அது வெப்சைட். சாரி சார், ஸ்டார்டிங் ப்ரைஸ் 49 lakhs. 2 BHK 965 square feet, starting price 49 lakhs.